How to use audio restoration tools in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project that contains the audio you want to restore. Next, go to the Restore Audio section, where you will find a wide range of professional restoration tools designed to clean, repair, and enhance your audio recordings. Start with the Restoration Assistant, which automatically analyzes your audio and recommends the best combination of restoration tools. This is a great way to quickly fix common audio issues with high-quality results. For background noise, use noise reduction to remove unwanted hiss, hum, or static. Adjust the strength and preview your changes before applying. If your recording includes speech, try Speech Enhancement to make voices clearer and more natural. Address distortions with clipping removal to repair overdriven audio, and click removal to eliminate pops, clicks, or other digital artifacts. For low frequency interference, use hum removal, and for high frequency hiss, apply hiss removal. These tools help create a smooth, clean sound. If your recording has strong consonants like P or B, use Plosive Removal, and for sharp S sound, apply de-essing. You can also reduce loud or distracting breaths with breath control. For outdoor recordings, wind removal reduces wind noise, and DeReverb minimizes room echo or reverb that makes the audio sound distant. For advanced restoration, try Spectral Recovery to reveal missing audio frequencies, and Visual Repair to fix waveform anomalies visually. Noise gate can also be applied to automatically remove unwanted quiet sounds. Once you are satisfied with all the adjustments, preview your audio to ensure everything sounds clean and professional. Now you know how to use AudioDirector's restoration tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.